Hello, dear friends. We are going to talk about the three types of social influence, and in this class, we are just going to focus upon conformity. As we talked about social influence, that social influence can be exerted by three types. So, today we are going to talk about conformity. What makes conformity different from compliance and obedience? Let me tell you, conformity is the social influence which is, kind of exhibited. This influence is exhibited in by taking care about the social norms. There are set social norms in a society, in a country, in a culture, and otherwise also human has some universal do's that every human should behave into a particular this thing. So this is, exerting the social influence by one single person or a lot of persons, and an organization like a government and the society, the federal system, on another one person or a lot of persons. Beta, what I mean is one person putting an influence on lot of people, one person putting an influence upon the another single person, or a lot of people putting an influence upon one single person who is not abiding by the social norms, or lot of people putting an effort upon lot of people, like lot of people, higher ups, organizations, administrations putting an effect on the general public. So beta, right now what is happening, we are all locked down. Why? Because there is conformity. We are conforming to be a good citizen. हम में से कोई भी गलत नहीं लगना चाहता बेटा। जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में एग्जाम्पल दिया कि मास्क के बिना जब भी गलती से मैंने मास्क नहीं पहना और मुझे जल्दी से बाहर निकलना है, मे भी अपने गेट तक ही जाना है, सो सडनली आई फील एम्बेरेस्ड, आई फील that, oh my god, how I am behaving, this is not conforming to the norms of my society, my culture. I'll give you an example. Like for example, you're all sitting in an examination center. आप एक exam center में silently, pin drop silence, you're busy writing your exam, and suddenly the phone call of one student, it buzzes up, and this is an example. Second example I'll give you. Suppose you are driving on a road, and suddenly a fire brigade bus or an ambulance starts putting siren fast. So how you're going to behave? And these two things, plus in a supermarket, in a supermarket, suppose for example there is a big line in a supermarket or on telephone exchange, and another of 100 people standing in the one line, and then the organization or the people of the supermarket or that organization, they decide to make another outlet. So what will happen? Number one, in the examination hall, what will happen? We can predict the behavior that jiska bhi wo phone baja hai, the whoever the phone is will rush to the place, switch off it. So no, there was no police, there was nothing, but still the response was maintained of a social influence of conformity, that examination halls पे पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस होना चाहिए, उसका मोबाइल बजा, वो शर्मिंदा हुआ, भागते हुए गया, अपना मोबाइल बंद किया. सिमिलरली एम्बुलेंस सायरन कर रही है, फायर ब्रिगेड की कोई बस सायरन कर रही है, दैट मीन्स कि कहीं एमरजेंसी है. उन दोनों के लिए रास्ता छोड़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दैट मीन्स सोशल नॉर्म्स कहते हैं कि ऑटोमेटिकली आप साइड पे हो जाइए. तो कन्फर्मिटी बेटा हमारे सबकॉन्शियस में है. कन्फर्मिटी जो है वो हमने सीखी है. कन्फर्मिटी का एक्शन हम इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि हम अच्छा शहरी बनना चाहते हैं, अच्छा इंसान बनना चाहते हैं. कन्फर्मिटी में कोई हमें डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर्स नहीं दे रहा है, जैसे कि ओबीडियंस में हम ओबे करते हैं बिकॉज वी आर फेयरफुल ऑफ द अदर पर्सनस पावर, वो हमें कमांड कर रहा है. सो कन्फर्मिटी में बेटा वी हैव टू टेक केयर अबाउट दैट, वी हैव टू अबाइड. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ सर्टन दैट यू शुड बिहेव इन टू दिस मैनर, लाइक मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ करना, लाइक एम्बुलेंस के रास्ते में गाड़ी नहीं चलाना, और लाइक एक थर्ड एग्जाम्पल सुपरमार्केट की कि 100 लोग एक लाइन में हो गए हैं, रश बढ़ गया है, और अचानक दूसरा दरवाज़ा खोला जाता है. सो इट विल बी कन्फर्म्ड कि स्टार्टिंग वाले वहीं खड़े रहेंगे, लाइन के पीछे वाले लोग जो हैं दे विल गो देयर, एंड इट विल बी कन्फर्म्ड कि उन लास्ट वाले 50 लोगों के लिए या 25 लोगों के लिए ये है. सो दिस इज़ अ कन्फर्म्ड बिहेवियर एज पर द रूल्स एंड एज पर द नॉर्म्स ऑफ अ प्लेस. So in each of the situations, the people involved, they can potentially behave in many different ways, but they behave in a particular way of conformity, which is, and perhaps because everybody wants to look good, wants others to feel that how obedient, how responsible, how good citizens and how good humans we are, so we conform because of this. The fact, beta, that we can predict others' behavior and our own behavior with confidence in these and many other situations, जो examples मैंने आपको दी हैं, are the powerful illustration, a journal effect of pressures towards conformity. So doing what we are expected to do in a given situation in a given manner. So the uncertainty you might experience in the checkline list situation, that will create a chaos. So at first glance, the strong tendency towards conformity जो है, towards going along with society or group, ये हमको ऐसे लगेगा जैसे कि हमारे पे domination हो रहा है, but basically this is not domination. This is something which comes from within inside, which is expected, which is very normal, which is very human, that all humans should behave in a particular way. Like अगर एक old woman matador में या बस में या train में खड़ी है, so it is confirmed that one of you will get up and give seat to that particular person. I hope you have understood what exactly the social influence of conformity means. Thank you so much, beta. In case of any queries, in case of any questions, please write in the comment section. Thank you so much. I hope you have really understood this lecture of conformity. Thank you, beta.